In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add icons to your website in Squarespace in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you want social media icons in your header, clean brand icons in a section, or a more polished design overall, Squarespace makes this surprisingly easy once you know where to click. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add, edit, and style your icons so they match your website perfectly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the page editor, go to the part of your site where you want the icons to appear. If you want to add icons inside a page section, click Add Block. This opens the block library, where Squarespace gives you a variety of content options. From here, choose Social Links. This is the easiest way to add social icons to a page or section. After you add the Social Links block, you'll see the pencil edit icon. Click that to open the settings panel. This is where you'll insert your profile URLs. For example, you can paste in your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, X, LinkedIn, or any other supported social link. Squarespace will automatically parse the web domain and generate the exact matching brand logo asset for each platform. That means you do not need to upload separate icon files yourself in most cases. Just add the correct URL and Squarespace will handle the icon display for you. Take a moment to review each link carefully. Make sure the URLs are correct because the icon that appears depends on the domain you enter. If you paste the wrong link, Squarespace may not generate the right logo. Once you've added all of your profiles, save the block and preview the section to make sure everything looks clean and aligned. Now, let's look at adding icons to your site header navigation. This is a great option if you want your social icons visible at the top of every page. To do that, click Edit Site Header at the top of your page preview. Once the header settings open, look for Add Elements. Inside that menu, you'll see a social links switch. Toggle that on to enable icons in your header. As soon as you do that, Squarespace will place the social icons in your header area, making them easy for visitors to find. This is especially useful if you want a more professional website layout and a consistent place for your social media links. If you're running a business, portfolio, or personal brand site, header icons can help your visitors connect with you faster. Just make sure the placement doesn't crowd your logo or menu items. If needed, you can adjust the spacing or move elements around until the header feels balanced. Next, let's talk about design styling, because this is where you can really make the icons match your brand. Open the Blocks design panel and you'll see different style options. You can toggle between solid fill, hollow outline, circular framing, or square shapes, depending on the look you want. A solid fill gives your icons a bolder, more modern feel. A hollow outline creates a lighter, minimal look. Circular framing is great if you want something softer and more polished, while square shapes can feel clean and structured. You can also dynamically scale the icon dimensions. That means you can make the icons larger for more emphasis, or smaller if you want them to blend naturally into the layout. This is important because icon size can completely change the visual balance of a page. If your icons feel too large, they may distract from the rest of your content. If they're too small, visitors might miss them. So take a little time to preview different sizes and shapes until it feels right. A good tip is to match your icon style with the rest of your website design. For example, if your site uses soft colors and rounded elements, circular icons may look best. If your website is more bold and business focused, solid icons or square framing may fit better. The goal is to make everything look intentional and cohesive. Once you're happy with the placement and style, save your changes and preview your site on desktop and mobile. This is important because icons can look different on smaller screens. Make sure they're still easy to see, neatly spaced, and not overlapping other header elements. If everything looks good, you're done. And that's how you add icons to your website in Squarespace using social links, the site header, and design styling tools. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in how professional your site looks. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Squarespace tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more website customization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.